first, what is your reason for visiting the World City?
The reason for visiting?
Yeah.
Traveling, just traveling. Yeah, just seeing the country.
Oh. What tourist destination have you visited in Indonesia?
This is my first time here.
First time.
My first 2 days.
Oh, what Indonesia food do you like the most in Indonesia?
I haven't tried everything, but we had pancakes this morning. That was really good. And the coconut cake.
Oh, coconut. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Everything is nice so far.
Yeah.
Good. Very good food.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye. Gimana perasaannya pas datang ke sini? Terus suka nggak sama Bandung?
Suka sih, lumayan seneng juga, cuman ada capek.
Panas ya?
Iya,
Ini pertama kali apa udah sering?
udah sering.
Oh, udah sering.
Tempat apa yang paling disukain?
Tadi sih museum wayang.
Oh, di situ ada apa aja sih?
Tadi sih cuma ada wayang gitu, terus kayak alat-alat musik buat main wayang.
Kalau di sini ada makanan favoritnya nggak?
Itu aku paling biasa beli KFC sih.
Oh, KFC emang paling promosi.
Gak ada makanan lain soalnya.
Oh ya.
Terima kasih.
Thank you ya, Kak.
Sama-sama.